Our understanding of God, our understanding of Jesus, is always evolving. And when it doesn't, that's a danger. I've noticed that oftentimes when someone will say, I don't believe in Jesus. I don't believe Jesus is the Son of God. I don't believe in God. Occasionally I've heard somebody, or I've asked myself, well, tell me about this God that you don't believe in. What's the nature of that God? And it's always amazing when you ask that. It'll be a caricature of what we understand God to be in the Old Testament and New Testament. It'll be always an angry God. Oh, he doesn't want me to have any fun. Oh, he only wants my money. Oh, he's always making me feel bad about myself. He's judgmental. I always want to say to people, well, I don't believe in that God either. It's very important to know the nature of God and know the nature of Jesus. And Jesus reveals God's nature to us.